to town.
I love a parade!
To get a parade like this, you have to do something super incredible amazing!
This parade must be for us!
We gotta do something super incredible amazing!
After this message thingy!
I am hearing the strange sound. It has 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over.
Can you see what's making the sound? Over.
I am getting closer, but I cannot yet. I see it.
Are you filming what you see? Over.
Well, about that.
Please film what you are seeing. Over.
I am about to film this thing. It has never been seen. It will be one giant step. Or not.
Can you describe what you see? Over. To repeat, please describe what you are seeing.
I'm speechless. I am in awe. I am totally freaking out.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Peg+cat. Peg+cat. 10, 9, 8. Yeah, come on, let's go. 7, 6, 5. Hey, what do you know? 4, 3, 2. What comes next?
1?
1. You're the best. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. We're
Peg and Cat Save the World, Part 1.
Welcome to the farm. The farmer went to the market, so Cat and I are watching his 100 chickens.
Who are not going crazy.
Chicken sitting has never been so easy, which means Cat and I have time to do
A puzzle, a puzzle.
We razzle and we dazzle.
Every time we do a puzzle.
The shapes give us clues.
Where things go.
In without
Out within.
and smooth like so.
Woohoo! It's all about that shape, no trouble. It's all about that shape with a puzzle.
Excuse me, I wonder if that piece might go over there.
That's a really good suggestion, Hog. But we're on a roll here, just the two of us doing the puzzle.
That's how we duzzle.
Thanks anyway.
We're on a total
Razzling dazzling.
busy sizzling.
Puzzle tear.
We're a perfect puzzle-making pair.
The chickens! They made a pyramid and they can't get down.
Chickens.
I told you guys, you can get into any flat shape you want. You can make squares or triangles, no problem. They just lie flat. But this pyramid is a tall, solid shape. It has height and goes straight up. If you don't come down just right, you could hurt yourselves.
Cheap.
That means we're sorry, but help in chicken.
We've got a big problem.
Well, we're figuring this one out. Can we get back to the puzzle?
That's it, you puzzling genius.
Huh?
To get the chickens down, let's do some puzzle making in reverse.
Okay. Yeah.
No, Cat. I mean, let's take the pyramid apart, one triangle at a time to get the chickens down.
T-Tog. Got it. Problem solved. The problem is solved. We solved the problem. Problem solved.
And now, back to
Our puzzle. We razzle and we dazzle.
Could it be?
It would have to be.
Ramon, what brings you to the farm?
In your plane, which runs entirely on pebbles.
I'm working for someone really important today.
Who?
Who?
It's top secret, but you'll find out soon enough because this really important person wants to meet with you.
Me?
Me?
Not you, chickens.
But we're watching the chickens till the farmer gets back.
You can't just leave us here unattended.
I guess the chickens can come too, long as they stay out of trouble.
How could 100 chickens possibly get into trouble?
Okay, chickens, who wants to go for a ride? This place you're taking us is packed with giant solid shapes.
Watch out for that pyramid!
That's the Washington Monument, one of the many historic sites in Washington, D.C., capital of the United States.
It's like a pyramid in the sky, on top of a giant rectangular prism.
That tall, pointy shape is called an obelisk.
Hi, obelisk! Hello, thing with so many sides!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A five-sided shape is a pentagon, right?
Which is why they named it the Pentagon.
What's that thing with half a sphere on top?
The Capitol.
Nice capital!
Check out the big triangle on that house. It takes 4 super tall cylinders to hold it up. What's that White House called, Ramon?
The White House.
Yeah, but what's it called?
It's called the White House.
I can see why.
Everybody out.
Wait, isn't the White House the home of?
Uh-huh.
What? Who?
You're not saying.
I'm saying...
Can somebody say what you're not saying?
We're actually meeting with the President of United States?
Yep.
Is that good?
The President is the most powerful, most famous, most important person in the universe.
The president's mother must be really proud.
You don't understand, Cat. The President of the United States is like cooler than a teenager.
I can't do this!
I can't do this. But we will.
Oh, yeah. Peg, did you notice the president's office doesn't have any corners?
This stretched out round shape is an oval. That's why it's called the Oval Office.
The president gets an office shaped like an egg? Wild!
That sphere is a globe, a round map of the whole world. Leaders from all around the world call the president on this phone every day.
What's with this red button?
Does that triangle mean danger? Warning?
Pie?
I would definitely not press it.
Me neither. And yet, one is tempted.
Cat! The president! Madam President?
Hello!
Peg and Cat, the Vice President and I are so glad you can make it.
We,
Excuse me. But we need that funding for the schools and the parks and the hospitals.
The president deals with super important stuff every minute of the day.
The vice president's position is more laid back.
The roads, the water. Appeal? That's it. We'll appeal to Congress for the funding. That means we'll ask them for help. You genius, Vice President.
They have a really good working relationship.
I know!
So, Peg and Cat, I've heard about the work you've done. Impressive, I must say. You've solved so many problems, whatever comes your way. But I have got a problem that might make you somewhat more tense. A problem of national importance.
National importance. Whoa!
A problem that involves more than a friend or 2 or 3. A problem that affects our land from sea to shining sea. A problem facing everyone from Tom to Jane to Hortense. This problem of national importance.
National importance.
So, President, I gotta say I'm freaking totally. At first I thought, what could she want with Cat and me? But now I guess I get it. It's making more and more sense. A problem of national importance.
National importance.
It will take your all to solve it, not one bit less. So carefully consider before you say yes.
I'm considering it all right.
Oh, yeah?
If we save the world, we'll be total heroes. There'll be parades in our honor with floats of super size, planes in formation, filling up the skies. More people cheering than the streets have ever known. The president, the Congress, the army, the moon. Who's got the world in a whirl? The national girl.
I was having the same fantasy, except it was me in the throne and you who kept falling out.
And now I need to ask of you if you've made up your mind to do your best to heed the call for all of humankind.
We can't deny our nation.
Yes, let's all do a short dance.
Check our cat's endurance.
All across the floor prints, I ripped up my poor pants.
We're thrilled you'll face this problem
Of national importance.
Peg and Cat, I'm making you directors of national problem solving. So, repeat after me. I will do my best
I will do my best
to solve this problem of national importance.
to solve this problem of national importance.
So help me math.
So help me math.
Now, so I can get you started, let's head to the secret intelligence lab.
A secret intelligence lab.
My intelligence is all secrets.
We just have to bring the chickens?
I left the door to the coop slightly wide open.
So there are 100 chickens loose in the White House. This is a really big problem.
Not really. We can do it in no time, if everyone lends a hand, even a few chickens. I need your help. You're good at finding other chickens. Peg and Cat, you're good at counting chickens. Vice President, you're good at walking. Lead the way. In the Lincoln bedroom, making a mess.
Easy told 10 chickens. So that's 10, 20, 30 chickens.
In the briefing room, speaking to the press.
40, 50, 60 chickens.
In the presidential library, in a battle.
70, 80, 90 chickens. Plus 9 more is 99. We just need 1 more.
In the Oval Office, dancing on Seattle.
100 chickens. That everybody helping out thing really works for gathering chickens.
It usually takes us a whole episode.
To the Intelligence Lab, also known as the Triangular Office.
Whoa-ho!
Oh, so that's what it does.
The floor opening to the triangular office button! Of course!
The triangular office is even cooler than the oval office.
Way more corners!
So, the reason I've summoned you is a mysterious object has appeared in space, floating near the Earth. Our first clue that it was there was these signals coming from space. The lines represent sounds.
Long, long, short, short, long. Long, long, short, short, long. They're in a pattern.
The lines are getting wider, which means the sounds are getting louder. And whatever's making them is growing.
Creepy.
I sent an astronaut up to film it this morning, but he filmed this. And that's all.
Careful with the president's toy rocket, Cat. It looks really expensive.
Oh, that's no toy, Peg. It's one of only 2 golden super rockets. The other one's gone with the astronaut.
This is a real rocket?
But no one can fit inside it.
Don't be so sure. Astronaut Briggs is heading into space. She'll describe what she finds, so you can work together to figure out what's up there and keep it from harming the Earth.
Why is she putting deodorant on her spacesuit?
Those are size chips. The orange ones make you smaller.
She shrunk!
She's small enough to fit in that rocket.
These blue size chips will make her bigger when she gets back.
Cool. I want to be an astronaut. Or president.
I want to be him. I broke your supercomputer.
You didn't break it, Cat. Those lines just mean sounds are coming from a certain part of the world.
They're in the same pattern as the signals from space.
You're right. Where on earth are they coming from?
Long, short, short. That's not it.
I can't find the spot Cat located when he tripped.
Trip again, Cat. Still not it. Try again. Not quite.
I'm losing my tripping touch.
I am really getting flustered.
Like totally freaking out.
Right?
Long, long, short, short, long.
He is good.
So the sound that's coming from space is also coming from
Where?
a farm?
So why are we creeping?
We're listening for the thing that's making a sound in that pattern.
Oh, right.
Somewhere on the farm is something that has something to do with that mysterious thing in space. Did you hear that? This massive swooshing blob has come to swallow up mankind.
It's swooshy, slimy, goopy goo.
Oh!
We've been slimed.
It's just crows in the mud swishing, short, short, long. But not the sound we're looking for. So creep some more. A clanging, angry metal thing.
I think I heard it shout.
It shook the glass.
It shook the wall.
It's coming out. A cow stuck in a bucket, singing long, short, short.
Creepy while it lasted.
But not the sound we're looking for. So creep some more. A wheezing beast.
With lots of heads all over the place.
It's come to face us face to face.
To face, to face, to face.
We found the sound we're looking for. So creep no more.
I love triangles.
It's the farmer.
One head. Whew.
He's singing long, long, short, short, long.
The farmer's getting all weepy in that pattern.
Is this about the chickens? Oh, we took them on a trip, but they're back. Sorry we didn't tell you.
It's not about the chickens. I miss him, my best friend in the whole world.
The pig is your best friend?
Cat,
The
the pig is really good at,
triangle loving.
the best.
That's why he left me. Said there just weren't enough triangles on the farm. When searching for someplace with more. Now all I got's the memory of his sweet singing. I love triangles.
Oi!
So the pig sings in the same pattern as the sound coming from space. This problem is like a puzzle with a piece missing. What could it be, Cat? Cat?
It's all about that shape, big trouble. Oh, this triangle-shaped puzzle piece you gave me doesn't fit with any of the others, littlest chicken.
You genius, Cat. What did you just say?
Triangle? Others? Of?
You said littlest chicken. She's bigger than this chicken, and this chicken, and this chicken.
Since when is the littlest chicken the biggest chicken?
I had a growth spurt.
That triangle littlest chicken gave you.
It was stuck under her wing.
Of course, because it's not part of the puzzle. It's one of those size chips from the triangular room. So the chips that make you grow are triangles. Yes!
Okay.
1,000 puzzle pieces are arranging in my brain. As the picture comes together, I can finally explain. I can see it, I can sing it in a glorious refrain.
The problem has been solved.
I can hardly wait to hear the thrilling answer that you found. Speak your breathtaking conclusion, let my ears drink in the sound. If you've really got it right, I'll shout until the walls resound. The problem has been solved.
So this pig who loves triangles saw the obelisk so high. Then the triangle upon the White House rooftop caught his eye. Then this button with its three-sided design he had to try. The problem has been solved. Pass so many more triangles into blue triangle chip. To your triangular launch pad for a trip to end
So you're saying there's a planet-sized pig?
Yes, Madam President.
Floating in space?
Yes, Madam President.
Singing opera?
That part sounds a little weird, but yeah, he's into opera.
It's just one of those things.
But could a pig really have gotten into the White House without anybody noticing?
Earlier this morning as I clipped his fingernail, passing through the Oval Office to refill my Nana pail, I saw a boy so strange. This boy, he had a curly tail.
Boys don't have tails.
It was the pig.
The problem has been solved.
Astronaut Briggs, are you nearing the source of that strange sound? Over.
I hear it, but I'm not close enough to see what's causing it yet. Over.
I have reason to believe the sound is so painfully loud that this morning it drove astronaut Lou to flee to the hushed planet.
So the hushed planet is totally soundproof.
You can't even hear the pig singing.
You should flee there too, before the sound gets too painful. But first, remove your camera. Send it floating in the direction of the sound. Over. Will do. Over.
Just a pig.
It's the pig!
Yes!
The boy with the tail!
It's not some dangerous meteor or flying saucer.
It's just a harmless floating pig.
The nation is safe. I am very relieved. And so... Problem solved!
The problem is solved.
Pig and cat were right, and now the problem has been solved. Every doubt about the theory has completely been dissolved. Let us honor them. Parades and marching bands will be involved. The problem has been solved.
A problem that involved more than a friend or two or three.
That's right.
It affected our entire land from sea to shining sea.
Sure did.
A problem facing everyone from Tom to Jane to Hortense.
Say goodbye to
The problem of national importance. Glory, glory goes to you, yeah. Glory, glory to you too, yeah. Glory, glory go, woohoo, yeah. The problem has been. Did the pig just smash into that planet?
Nobody lives on the yellow planet. It's okay.
Now he's headed towards that red planet.
Nobody lives there either.
Which is a good thing.
He totally squashed that planet.
But the planet he's heading towards next isn't empty. It's the planet Earth.
That's where I live.
We all live on Earth, Cat.
No!
So we'll send up one of those gold rocket things to stop the pig?
None left.
Build another one!
No time. We've got to do something fast, or the Earth will be smushed beneath the backside of a planet-sized pig.
Everyone in the world has a really big problem.
Pig and Cat are in the middle of an important mission and will be unable to appear under the tree today. Thank you for understanding.
What important mission?
I can't say.
What can't he say?
We don't want to worry everybody.
What would worry everybody?
I'll tell you soon.
He'll tell us when pigs fly.
Huh?
It's an expression. It means you'll never tell us because pigs can't fly.
Right. Stay tuned for part 2 of Peg and Cat Save the World.
I will. Me too.